Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I'm going to be unboxing the mystery bundle from Boxycharm's pop-up, the palettes, primers, and beyond. Now, I did upload this video yesterday, however, I was not feeling very well yesterday, and I feel like it reflected in the video. I want to keep a bad video up. So here we are again today, trying again. If you like beauty subscriptions, unboxings, Boxycharm, anything in that nature, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and dive on into the box here. I'm still excited about this stuff even though it's the second time I'm seeing it. So the stuff has been swatched and stuff already, but we're still going to have some fun with this today. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out here looks like it's a palette, and it's the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, and I actually do not have this one. So let's see the colors in here. Could get some really nice looks out of this one. It's like a sunsetty vibes. And I'm going to go ahead and get a couple quick swatches and I'll be right back. And here's just a couple of the colors for you. I really did enjoy the shimmers when they went on, very smooth and buttery. The mattes were a little bit powdery, but I'm sure it's good. It's Huda Beauty, so if anything, I'm sure I could build up the coverage on that, or always put some powder underneath my eyes before applying it just to prevent some of that fallout from getting on my face. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here, which I absolutely love, is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. And I actually already have one of these, and I just finished it. And I had a backup one. So now this is going to be my new backup one. It's more like a silicone-based primer. So when it goes on, it's more for like blurring the pores. Some people might have sensitive skin towards it, so I would just let you know it is more like a silicone-based primer, but it is very good. Smells amazing. I absolutely love the way that it smells. And this is what the product looks like inside of the container here. And a little bit of this does go a long way. I had my other one, I think I used it almost every day except for when I was trying out other primers. But I had it from April until like 2 weeks ago. And that was with me using it almost every single day. So it does last. So here is that one. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Palette. And I actually have a liquid lip and a lip liner from this brand, and I really enjoy it a lot. I'm actually wearing the eyeshadow today. Some of the colors worked better than others for me, but all around it was an okay palette for me to use. And here's what the colors look like inside. I'm going to do a couple real quick swatches of these and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the swatches here. From here on is the Cab Beauty palette. And I'm just going to come over here and show you. Some of them really did perform a lot better than others. Like this one here was really powdery and was lacking in pigment. And so was this one, I feel like. But the other ones, like these shimmers down here, they did go on pretty good on the skin, so it's okay. I'm not mad about getting it at all. I love to have palettes and makeup to add to my collection, especially if I can get a good look out of it like I got out of mine today. Okay, and next up is Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Epic Curl Lash Primer. I'm definitely going to be smelling this because I just had another lash primer and it just smelled like really strong chemicals. And me and my friend both just decided to toss ours. We didn't want to put that on our eyes because of the chemical smell. And it doesn't really smell like much of anything. So that's nice. It doesn't have that really strong chemical smell. So definitely excited to try this out and see if I'm actually going to be noticing a difference in my lashes or if it's just one of those unnecessary steps that you don't really need to be taking. Next up is from NARS Beauty, and looks like it's a Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Done It Again. I like that. Here is the outside box. Okay, and we have a NARS lipstick here, and it's in brown. So I'm not going to be swatching this just because I don't typically wear browns, but I do know that fall is just right around the corner. So there is somebody out there who would probably enjoy this with some great fall looks. So I will be giving this in a future giveaway. Next up, I have this really cute little purple bag. And it's nice. It's almost like a fake leather. And then we have a cute little sponge inside for like getting around your corner of your eyes, which I actually don't have a really tiny one like this at the moment, so that is perfect for me. And let's see. Just looks like 4 eyeshadow brushes. Well, 3 and 1 eyeliner brush. And I really do enjoy Luxie brushes. They are a very good quality brush and they perform very well for me. So I already know I'm absolutely going to love these. I can't wait to add them to my little brush collection. The last item in here, this is by, I do believe it is Caprice, Made for Each Other Illuminating and Active Shimmer. It's an eye serum and primer. And then there's also a shimmer palette. This is exciting to me. I do not get that many eye primers, and the fact that it's a serum and a primer in one is exciting to me. And the packaging is super cute. Oh, it's like almost dried out looking inside, like this is old. Wow, just a little bit of this goes a long way, and especially on the eye area, you don't need that much at all. It doesn't really smell like much of anything, which is fine. This does look like it's a little bit older. I'll still use it, but I'll probably use it before what I'm using right now, just because since it does look a little bit older, I should probably get it used up first. And then next thing in here, this is a little highlighter palette, and it is actually for your eyes and your body. So you can put this on your body as well. And there is a little bit of a loose powder up there in the mirror when I got it like that, but that's not a big deal because all of the pans are still intact. And I am really big into highlighters right now. So definitely excited for this. I'm trying to build my highlighter collection at the moment. Okay, and these are shimmers, so they are a little bit harder to see. But I'm going to try to show you as best as I can. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear these. I might even... Oh, I just love looking glowy. Anyways, that's everything that I got inside of my mystery bundle for the primers, palettes, and beyonds from Boxycharm. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.